Alright everyone, part 3. So this one is from Target, and the first thing I'm going to talk about is the Bounce. It was on sale for $1.68 for 34 sheets. I had a 50 cents coupon off from Target, and then I had 75 cents off from the newspaper, from regular coupon. So I combined those two together and then off $1.68. Good stuff. So of course everybody knows these, the extra dessert gums. They're $1.84. I had a $1 coupon off of 2. Good to go. And the Welch's jam, we're always running out of this, so it was $1.38. They're not going bad until next year, so I don't know. They still have their seal on them. I don't know why they put them on sale, but hey, that's fine with me. So $1.38, and then I had a coupon for 55 cents off one. So 55 cents off this, and 55 cents off that. Good as gold. The Kleenex Cool Touch, they are for $1.74, I believe. $1.74, and $1.29. So they're $1.29, and I had a 50 cents off coupon, manufacturer, and then Target had a 50 cents off coupon. So I only paid 29 cents for this. Lovely. And I never tasted these. Our family likes Hamburger Helper, but I haven't tasted these yet. So they were $1 off for one, so I got 3 of them, and then I had the 75 cents off 3 coupon. So boom boom boom, 1 2 3. So altogether, before coupons with taxes, and then this is the price just with it all, stuff being on sale, it's $13.28 I would have paid, but I only paid $6.11 for all of this right here. So I am very happy about that.